Good afternoon, everyone. I thought we'd just do a very quick end of the week update focused on Uber because they have just started trading in New York. So actually I can hear my own voice speaking to myself somewhere. So let me just mute that so I can get rid of it. There we go. I'll just put the risk warning up. So we've been waiting since the US Open, since about 2:30. So after a couple of hours, Uber started trading. I'll just leave the risk warning up there for a bit. They ended up getting priced at $45 a share, which gives them a valuation. I did have it, and then I lost it. $82.4 billion. So there was speculation that Uber were going to be worth $100. They've missed that basically, but they're still worth $82 billion based on that $45 a share price. But let's see where they're actually trading. So if you're a client of ours, they are available to trade in the platform now. So let's bring them up. Uber, here we go. There is the Uber price in real time. So they're currently trading at just above $43. Okay, so the IPO was priced at 45, so they're down a bit on that. And you can see already, it's only been trading for about, 15 minutes so far. So this is where they started, just below 42. They've touched 41. They've traded as high as 43.5, and they're having a look now at the highs of the day. So we'll see. I mean, clearly the first few days are always pretty volatile for new issues like this. If we have a look at Lyft, what was interesting, the other ride-sharing company that debuted, was it back in March? They were getting really hammered today ahead of Uber coming to the market. So that's Lyft's first day of trading, 29th of March, touched 88, but today traded as low as briefly below 50. So they were pretty volatile. They were down 7%, I think, at one point. And we'd also seen US markets under pressure today anyway, slipping below the lows from yesterday. So it wasn't the most bullish of days for Uber to start trading on. But there you go. If you fancy getting involved in the action on day one, they're now available to trade. Let's just put a trade on just to show that this is all actually working. Let's make it a 1 minute chart. Let's say, what are we going to do? Let's say we go short Uber, because you can trade it in both directions, obviously. So if you think at 43.20, Uber is overvalued, you can position yourself to profit from a slide in Uber. If you think Uber is going to go to $50 a share, you can buy them. But clearly we're trading CFDs here, so we're trading on margin. So we'll short sell. There's the price. I clicked on sell. I'm just going to sell one. There's no commission, but my margin requirement is going to be just over £6 on this. So let's sell it. You can see bottom left, there's the confirmation. So that's it. I am short Uber at 43.20. That's quite fortunate, actually, because it's just falling off a cliff. There we go. No, 42.36 is where it is. So there we go. There's my Uber trade, short Uber at 20. And, of course, the P&L updates in real time. So that's it. So at the moment, there's not a lot more to say on it than that. The spread is maybe a little bit wide still at the moment because it's early days in trading for Uber. You'd expect it to calm down a bit maybe as the day goes on. You know, it has only been trading for 15 minutes or so, so maybe we'll see things a little bit calmer as the day goes on. But probably, I think, maybe something of a disappointing debut. If they priced it, I think, at the lower end anyway, at $45 a share. It's already touched 41, so it's not exactly a fantastic debut. But of course, in the past, when Facebook first came to the market, that really struggled, for quite some time, but let's see what happens. But we'll come back to this. We do regular live updates during the week. So the next one we'll be doing is Monday at 10 o'clock. So to never miss out on those, just make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down there below what you're watching. And we'll have a look at these properly on Monday at 10 o'clock, see how they ended up today. But would expect more volatility today. We've already had a 5% range in the last 20 minutes. And with the US stock markets looking a little bit weak at the moment anyway on the day, maybe we'll see a bit more choppiness as the day goes on. But we thought, let's just do a quick update. It's a big IPO. It's a big deal. So as one of the commenters are saying on the channel, potentially a huge point in history for global transport. We'll see. Yeah, they've certainly clearly changed how plenty of us get about. Whether that ever ends up being a profitable business remains to be seen. But like I say, just a quick update today, see how they were trading on the first day, and we'll look at them on Monday. But as it is 5:10 on a Friday in the UK, if you are watching for the UK, we will wrap things up there. And like I say, we'll do the normal live session. They'll resume from Monday of next week at 10 o'clock. And to never miss out, just subscribe to the channel. But for now, there we go. Uber is now available to trade. So we'll wrap things up and have a good weekend.